billion light-years from Earth, in a distant galaxy we can barely see, a supermassive black hole rested in complete silence. For ages, it consumed only drifting dust and small stars, never drawing attention to itself. The universe around it moved quietly, and nothing unusual happened there. Until the year 2018. That year, astronomers on Earth detected something they had never seen before. A sudden flash, intense, sharp, and impossibly bright, burst from that distant corner of the cosmos. It was not a star. It was not a supernova. It was something far more powerful. When telescopes captured the event, astronomers were stunned. The flare was 30 times brighter than any black hole flare ever observed. At its peak, it shone with the brightness of 10 trillion suns, enough light to outshine entire galaxies for a moment. Nothing like this had ever been recorded in the history of astronomy. Scientists immediately began investigating what could generate such tremendous energy. The answer, they discovered, was tragic but scientifically fascinating. A massive, bright star had been orbiting the black hole for millions of years. Slowly, its path brought it closer and closer to the cosmic giant. Black holes have a boundary of devastating gravity. When the star crossed that invisible limit, it faced the full power of the black hole. The star began stretching and tearing apart under extreme tidal forces. This process is known as a tidal disruption event. Piece by piece, the star was shredded. As the black hole consumed the star's outer layers, the stolen material spiraled around it and formed a superheated disk. The friction and speed inside this disk were unimaginable, causing the gas to glow brighter than anything in that galaxy. This glowing light is what we saw on Earth, a flare powerful enough to travel 10 billion years and still appear brighter than anything seen before. Scientists often compare this moment to the star's final scream, a burst of energy announcing its destruction across the universe. Even after the initial flare, the remains of the star continued spiraling into the black hole. Every loop heated the gas again, creating smaller pulses of light. These pulses help astronomers study the event in incredible detail. To this day, the remnants might still be falling inward, slowly disappearing beyond the event horizon, the point of no return. And as long as this process continues, the black hole may flare again. What makes this event even more amazing is the time it took to reach us. The flare happened 10 billion years ago, long before Earth existed. The universe was young, galaxies were still forming, and yet this star's final moment traveled all the way to our small planet. In 2018, we witnessed the light of a tragedy that occurred near the dawn of time, a reminder that the universe is full of powerful, mysterious, and awe-inspiring events waiting to be discovered. For more fascinating stories like this, please subscribe to our channel, like, share and comment. Thank you.